So we're going to show in the next slides how this component integrated into a module is going to help at the system level and overall on the IT level. We have about a generation and a half ahead of the whole industry through the technologies that we offer. And you can see here that some of our latest green solutions are able to provide you up to 86% power saving at the module level. The 86% at the module level actually translates itself into about 44% at system level when you're comparing an old infrastructure with a new one. Now let's take this even in a much more global perspective. If you start replacing all the servers in the United States, there's about 11.5 million units of them, with the new platforms that include the Samsung technology, we are able to achieve about 34 terawatt of power saving per year, or about $2.2 billion per year. The 86% actually translates itself to about 170 watt saving at the server level. Now if you take a rack that has about 2,000 watt of power budget, that translates itself into adding additional servers that include the new Samsung technology. And we're going from an old system that had 5 servers to a new system that has about 9 servers. That's about 80% upgrade in the overall infrastructure without increasing your overall power budget. There's another way to look at it too, is that every rack actually has an overhead cost. The overhead cost is the floor space, the cooling, and the facility power. Well, when you're adding more per rack, this means that in a case of a infrastructure that has about 1,000 servers, you're actually reducing the number of racks required. And in this particular example, we're showing to you that our new green DDR3 technology can help you save the number of racks by about 44%. So you're eliminating 44% racks from an older infrastructure without jeopardizing power budget and at the same time increasing the bandwidth and the performance of your IT. This also can translate itself into about $60,000 of overhead cost saving. Another way also to look at it is the 170 watt saving that you achieve when you use the Samsung Green technology in the new platforms is that on an annual basis it results in about $194,000 that are saved within a single year in a 1,000 server infrastructure. And from an IT perspective, it means that that money that you're saving, you can decide either not to spend it, you can decide to upgrade your equipments and buy additional amount of servers, and in this particular example, we're talking about 55 additional servers. Well, using the right technology can make a huge difference to our planet. And as you can see here, if all the servers worldwide, there's about 32 million, were replaced with the new servers that had the Samsung technology, you are able to save about 95 terawatt hour of power per year. And that translates itself between $6 to $7 billion. And that is actually on the conservative side. But if you even look at it from a carbon footprint, you're talking over 68 million tons of carbon footprint that's eliminated. You're talking about eliminating the need for 18 additional coal-fired powered plants or 13 million cars off the highway each year.